Today I'm going to discuss induced and autonomy investment. What do you mean by induced and autonomy investment? I'm going to discuss it. Try to understand the concept of it at first. Induced and autonomy. In my previous video already I've discussed you private and public investment. Okay, in this video you will understand induced and autonomous investment. Okay, try to understand the concept. This is day 8 video. Already I made 7 video on this chapter. Today I'm going to make video number 8. Try to understand the concept of induced and autonomous investment. Okay, I am in this video I will discuss the graph also. Okay, try to understand. At first try to understand the meaning of induced investment. Okay, then you can understand it very well without any problem. I think you can see it very well. The induced investment is that investment which is undertaken as a result of change in the level of income. Okay, I think you are unable to see it. Try to I'm going to discuss with it with the help of graph. It means what? Try to understand. I think you can see it very well. An increase in the level of income leads to an increase in demand. Okay, suppose your income increase, then your demand increase. Income decrease, then your demand decrease. Okay. Okay, suppose your pocket money is today is 100 per day. Okay, this is income. It is your income. Okay, then now pocket money increase to 150, then income increase, then your demand will increase. Okay, in this way it means what? An increase in the level of income leads to an increase in demand for consumer goods, thus in turn leads to an increase in investment, so as to increase the productions of consumer goods. Induced investment varies directly with change in level of income. Induced investment showing positively functional relationship between income and investment. Income and investment. Clear? This relationship shows you. Clear? How I am going to discuss it. I think you can see it very well. Induced, this is, suppose this is investment. This is investment. This is investment. Okay, this is 0. This is induced investment. Clear? And this is I. This is I. This is y1 and this is y2. This is y2. A. This is a1 and this is a2. Y, x. This is y. It means what? Try to understand with the help of example. As income increase from y01, y01, okay, to y02, to y02, okay, this is y02. Clear? The level of investment increases from a1y, a1y, okay, to a1, a2, y2. Thus the induced investment is income elasticity. This income is called elasticity. It means what? Income is increasing, okay, continuously, and demand is increasing. Okay, now I will discuss you next topic, autonomous investment. What do you mean by autonomous investment? Now I am going to discuss it. Try to understand the concept of autonomous investment. I think you can see it very well. Autonomous investment is that type of investment which is not affected by a change in level of income. It is not affected by a change of income. How? I am going to discuss it. Try to understand with the help of example. It means what? The curve for autonomous investment given in the panel. Okay, it means what? Induced investment was elasticity, but it will be horizontal. What? Horizontal graph. Try to understand it. Which type of graph will be made? Try to understand. This is 0, this is y, this is x. Okay, this is a1, this is a2. Okay, this is investment, this is investment, and this is income. Clear? This is y1 and this is y2. Clear? The induced investment is autonomous investment involves Try to understand. Autonomous investment means this graph will be horizontal. Clear? Its graph will be horizontal. Okay, it means what? It indicates that the amount of investment is same. Here is also same, here is also same. Okay, at each level of income, whether OY1, OY1 or OY2. Okay, OY1 or OY2. Hence, autonomous investment is income elastic. Income is inelastic. Income is inelastic. Okay, most of the investment made by the government, autonomous investment. It should be noted that autonomous investment doesn't always remain fixed or constant. It may change over time. Over time, autonomous investment may be changed due to factors other than income, like innovation of new techniques, new technique, new techniques, or production, discovery of new resources, discovery of new market, growth of population, increase in public expenditures, etc. Okay, so this is called autonomous investment. In this video, I have discussed you induced investment and autonomous investment. In next video, I will discuss next topic. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe of this channel, and don't forget to like it.